Welcome. Here we are, Algebra 2, Chapter 5 review. This is exercise number 21. We have this polynomial division problem. We're meant to divide 8x to the fourth plus 2x squared minus 12x plus 9 and by x squared plus x minus 3. Well, let's go ahead and get started. The divisor, the thing we're dividing by, ends up on the left, just like long division for numbers. And the thing we're dividing, 8x to the fourth plus, and be careful here, 0x to the third plus 2x squared minus 12x plus 9. The whole thing is divided in there. All right. Now the question to begin with is, how do you create 8x to the fourth when you are multiplying by x squared? The answer is 8x squared. Now watch how this works. 8x squared multiplies by the entire divisor, and it makes 8x to the fourth plus 8x to the third minus 24x squared. And this whole bit is subtracted away. And we should first notice, as we subtract, that 8x to the fourth minus 8x to the fourth is gone. That means we were successful. But we continue on. 0x to the third minus 8x to the third is negative 8x to the third. 2x squared minus negative 24x squared is 26x squared. And then we have the negative 12x plus 9 that, frankly, were kind of ignored before. We'll go ahead and bring those down because they should feel included too. We're on to the next step. We need the thing that multiplies by x squared to get our new leading term, which is negative 8x to the third. The answer to accomplishing that is negative 8x, because when negative 8x multiplies by the entire divisor, we get negative 8x to the third minus 8x squared plus 24x. And then as we subtract our new piece away, we note with either some kind of relief or perhaps unbridled joy that the leading terms, negative 8x to the third, are gone, because negative 8 minus negative 8, 0. It's gone. Moving on to the x squared term, we have 26x squared minus negative 8x squared. That's 34x squared. And we have negative 12x minus 24x. That's negative 36x. This poor plus 9 has not yet been involved, but we'll continue to bring it down and hope that it can join in the fun later. Finally, we need the thing that multiplies by x squared to get us to 34x squared. And that is just a 34. Because when you multiply that 34 by the whole divisor, you get 34x squared plus 34x minus 102. This whole piece subtracts away. And again, happy, happy, joy, joy, the x squared terms cancel out. Those front terms need to cancel out at every step in every long division problem. What's left? For the x terms, we have negative 36x minus 34x, and that creates negative 70x. And on the constant term, we have 9 minus negative 102, and that makes positive or plus 111. Okay, here we're done. What we have left, this business of negative 70x plus 111, it's degree 1, linear. It is a smaller degree than the divisor, which is x squared, which is quadratic. So all we have to do is write our answer. Right? We had 8x squared minus 8x plus 34. That's the quotient. Plus, and then our remainder, negative 70x plus 111. But the remainder part, negative 70x plus 111, has not yet been divided by the divisor, x squared plus x minus 3. So that is our answer. The quotient plus the remainder, but the remainder is still being divided by the divisor because that part of the division hasn't happened yet. Thank you for watching.